In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Notifications. Following that, select App Notifications under Manage and click on Most Recent to select a perfect filter for you. When you're ready, by tapping on blue switcher next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, click on the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!